Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the build number so the system can enable advanced features. Open Settings, go to About Phone or About Device, then find Build Number, tap it 7 times. You'll see a brief toast or countdown. Enter your lock screen PIN or pattern when prompted to confirm. Once done, Developer Options appears under System or Additional Settings. This step authorizes low-level access like USB debugging and performance profiling, which you'll use in the next steps. You now open Developer Options and scan for critical toggles. Turn on USB debugging to allow ADB connections. When the confirmation dialog appears, accept it only on trusted machines. Next, tweak animation scale settings to speed up UI testing and set background process limits to reproduce memory conditions. You can also enable Show Touches and Pointer Location for input testing. Make sure to read each option's short description. Adjusting the wrong setting can affect performance or battery life, so change one thing at a time. You wrap up by securing and verifying your changes. Revoke USB debugging authorizations to remove previously trusted computers, then reconnect only when needed. If you'll run long tests, enable Stay Awake while charging so the screen stays on. Remember to disable it afterward to save battery. Finally, confirm USB mode is set to File Transfer or MIDI if ADB isn't recognized. If something goes wrong, check the PC's ADB drivers and use a DB device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.